How to set up Google Family Link. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is download the app Google Family Link in both of the devices, child's as well as parents. This app is available for both Android and iOS. Create or link a child account. Open the app and select child or teen on their device. Then sign in with their Google account or create a new one for them. Next, go back to your device, open Family Link and choose Parent. Follow the prompts to link both devices together using the code shown. Approve apps, set screen time, and location tracking. Set daily screen time limits, approve or block app downloads. Track your child's location and filter content on Google Search, Chrome, and YouTube. Inside the Family Link dashboard, you can manage bedtime schedules, monitor activity, lock the device remotely, and set content restrictions based on age. And that's how to set up Google Family Link parental controls. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.